Stop Instagram from making your account appear in suggestions. To disable account suggestions, you can't use the Instagram app. Instead, open any web browser such as Chrome on your phone. Tap on the address bar and type instagram.com, and then go to the website. Once the website loads, tap on Login. Enter the Instagram username and password and log into your account. Here, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap Edit Profile below your username. Scroll all the way down, and turn off the toggle next to Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. Once it is disabled, your Instagram account will no longer appear as a suggested account on other users' profiles.